Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Dennis Gigi Torre.
And I'm Gion Diarabel.
So, we're here to report to you about the given task that Saragon given to us. So, here's the question. Letter B. Solve the indicated sides and angles in the triangle below. So, Gion here will report to you about the number 1 and
Number
number
two.
2.
Number 1, the question is M angle of CAB. 180, which 180 minus 60 minus 30 is equal to 90 degrees. 2 AB sine 30, which equals 1 half, and equals 100 over hypotenuse, which you use cross multiplication, which then equals to 200 degrees.
So, I'm the one who's gonna discuss the number 3 and 4. So, number 3 is AC. So, AC is sine 60 degrees. Then, the sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Then, it's equal to 100 over hypotenuse. Then, we will use cross multiply. Then, we will get 200 square root of 3 over 2. Then, we simplify it to decimals. Then, we will get 115 over 47. Then, number 4, BC. So, BC is tangent 60 degrees. Then, the the square is square root of 3, then equals to 100 over hypotenuse. Then you will get 100 square root of 3 over 3. Then we simplify it to decimal, which we will get 57.735. Then another one, then will be solved to is adjacent. Then we will use again the tangent 60 degrees. Then the square root of it is square root of 3 over 3. Then equals to adjacent over 200. Then crisscross multiply. Then we will get 173.2 BC. Then we combine it, then we will get 223 over 2. That's all, everyone. Thank you.